Hello, we have a 2006 LS small block with a rod knocking intermittently. Starts up, no noise. As it runs for about 3 or 4 minutes, you get a steady noise out of the motor. Come in here, we got a crank bolt, side to side loops. Pulling number 6 rod bearing, because we determined that's where the noise was at. Pull it up. You can look at the scorch just from the bearing. So now we're going to pick the bearing up. And what do we have? We have a scorched bearing. Crankshaft itself can be turned as a simple rebuild, not a major crisis. But this is the noise that you hear when you fire it up and run it and your rod starts knocking. That's the number one cause right there.